What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can download Metatrader 4 for PC from Forex.com. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to be in this particular platform. So how you get here is just go to your web browser and search for Forex or Forex.com and press enter. Then you'll be in this particular platform. Over here you can see this first link, just go over here. And then it will redirect you to that particular platform, which is forex.com website, and this is the one. So just go up over here to platform and tools drop down menu, and all the way to your right and down you'll see get started, and over here you can see download center. Just go over there and then you'll be in download trading platform and all. So just scroll a bit down until you find Metatrader 4, and from here you can see download Meta 4 for Windows or Mac. If you have Mac, just choose Mac. If you have Windows, just choose Windows and just press over here, and then it will start downloading like this over here. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.